Good morning, friends! Welcome to our vlog. Wow. Happy weekend. It's a Saturday. It's already 8:37 a.m. We are going to Corner House kasi meron silang pa-event this weekend. It's called Coffee Please. It's gonna be an eventful weekend, I think. Look at that color.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna try now. Oh. Pero ito parang medyo
Grainy.
grainy.
So plain lang.
That is so good.
The proper meal.
Sige, kayo mo na lahat. Oh, do you know what I mean? It's not airy, but it's not dense. How? That was a fun event, although ang init, ang sikip. We came at 9, ang init na, and ang dami ng tao, and puno na yung parking. Like ngayon, palabas kami, hindi na sila nagpapapasok kasi sobrang puno na yung parking. But, happy naman ako sa mga nakain ko. We are now on our way to our lunch. Diba ang baboy?
Light na naman kinain niya.
Very light lang. Actually, hindi namin naubos yung food. Dami excuses. Okay, tapos na mag-lunch. Ngayon may next stop tayo, kakain tayo ulit. Charis. Hindi. Pupunta tayo sa SM North because I will get a camera. It's a second-hand camera. Actually, lahat ng camera ko second-hand, right? Yun lang. See you later. The goods! May nagpadala sa atin ng food. It's from Bing Bing Cat. Ayan. Putli mandi ba yun? Iba-ibang flavors yan. Iba-ibang fillings inside. Malamang. Ngalangan mga fillings outside. Okay, meron tayo ditong chicken pianggang, I think. And then, ito ang kanyang spicy cousin called Kia Lia. Tanan! This is our dinner. Ayun lang. See you friends later. Bye. Bye, Lovey.
Bye!
Lovey, hindi mo kailangan mabilis. We are on time, right? Good morning, friends! Happy Sunday! It's already 8:25 a.m. We are on our way to BGC. Magbe-breakfast kami sa Georgian Onis. See you later. Mag-search muna ako kung anong dapat kong orderin.
Hi! Hi! High five! High five to the camera! High five!
Hey friends! Tapos na tayo mag-service. Ito sa pretty good venue, no? Parang same sa SNS. Was a good service, talking about just doing, the Lord's work. Ngayon, papunta na tayo sa ating next stop, which is sa Podium. Bibili lang ako ng Maison Midori. Halo kasi ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Okay naman. Not bad.
Lang. Cheers.
Hey friends! Welcome to our home. It's okay. Welcome to our home. It's already 6:30 p.m. Hindi na ako nakapag-update kasi parang biglang sumakit yung ulo ko. And now, I want to try and make an espresso latte with matcha. Pasensyahan nyo na po yung makalat naming kitchen. You wanna try it? Like it?
Galing ah. Better than rest of.
Yay! Success!
Andy was right. As it turned out, I loved the movie Soul. And how I use my body and how I use my time.
Okay, time check. It's 10:45. Wala na si Lovie, pumasok na siya ng work. And I'll be home lang doing my work. But I wanted to share with you why I decided to do YouTube vlog. So just in case you don't know, I do food content sa TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Mostly doing recipes or showing recipe videos, sharing my restaurant experiences. Now, about a month or two ago, actually nag-start na ako mag-vlog. Pero I want to start from scratch again. I feel like I'm more prepared now. So at that time, mga 1 to 2 weeks, pag nagka-quiet time ako, and pag nagpe-pray ako asking God how I can use my platform for Him. How can I use the platform to share the gospel, to share His love? How can I share my testimony? Pagdating sa food, parang hindi ko siya magawa. So, yung pumapasok sa isip ko that time is to do YouTube vlogging. And then, ayun, parang pinag-pray ko siya ng pinag-pray. Tapos, I felt na I have the peace and I have a strong conviction na this is the way to go. So yun, I decided to do a YouTube vlog. Yan lang, yun na yung kwento. And through the YouTube vlog, I hope na mas ma-share ko sa inyo yung, kunwari, behind the scenes of being a content creator, yung pagiging wife, being in a marriage, my walk as a Christian, as a friend, as a daughter, as a sister, ganyan. Please bear with me kasi hindi pa ako sanay mag-vlog. Like, awkward ako magsalita in front of the camera. Mangangapa pa ako. What you can expect sa vlog, siguro, yun nga, behind the scenes of me as a content creator, as a wife, as a Christian, etc., etc. And at the same time, I wanna be as authentic, as real, as raw as possible. Like, for example, ngayon, wala akong makeup, kaya mukha akong multo, and may sakit. Well, may sakit naman din talaga ako. Slight. The house, I don't wanna try to make it look aesthetic. Just, I wanna show you kung ano talaga yung kalat ng bahay namin, usually. And I hope na you would appreciate it, kahit na hindi siya cinematic. Kasi I feel like yun yung gusto kong ipakita, yung talagang ako. And yung talagang life ko, without any filter, without any... Wala na ako ibang word. Yun lang. Wala naman akong masyadong goal about doing YouTube vlog. I'm just trying to be obedient kay God. So today, it's gonna be such a boring day to vlog because nasa desk lang ako. I'll do a bit of work para lang rin hindi ko ma-overwork yung katawan ko. I don't know if I'll show you anything else for the rest of the day. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. We're shooting at a different location. So yun, I'll see you friends later or tomorrow. Good morning! It's 8:30 a.m. We are going to Robinsons Manila to shoot for the Heartmate Canola Oil collaboration with Robinsons Supermarket for their CSR campaign. Dahil hindi pa bukas ang mall, sa rampa tayo. Sana hindi ako ma-aksidente, Wala naman sigurong bababa, It's an adventure. Tayo ay makikipagsapalaran. My gosh, workout pala ito. Workout. Second level. Kaya natin to. Isa pa. One more. Guys, bakit close pa? Robinson Supermarket. Shoot done! Thanks, Lovey, for helping me. Hindi sobrang malasa. Sabi ko na nga ba magugustuhan mo eh. Grabe yung ginger eh.
Sarap ng coating.
Sarap ng coating no? Back at IKEA. Hey! Why are you so far?
I was looking at that.
See, you're not bringing now.
I was looking at that.
This place holds so many memories. IKEA, kunin niyo na kami ulit. Ano ba?
Good, just like that.
Sige na. Hindi ko deserve pero sige na.
Oy, Labi, ano kung bibili natin? Shopping muna si hubby. Shopping time! Go! You see, people talk about that in mining. Nice naman. Looks parang relaxed lang. Chicha chan chan! Uy, grabe, kumot lang yan. Bye! Friends! Time check, it's 9:15 p.m. Ang ganda ng movie, in fairness. Naglinis lang kami ni Lovey konti ng house kasi gusto ko lang na medyo mas maayos siya tomorrow because tomorrow is the start of the prayer and fasting and I just want a clear head, parang ready to do the prayer and fasting. So yun lang. Now, it's time to sleep. Pagod na ako. It's been a long day but it's been a very productive and fun day also. Yun lang. Good night and I'll see you sa next vlog.